Alright, so in this video we are going to learn about keyframing videos in CapCut using Windows PC. So here is a video, just I don't want to go for a lot of other details how to import. So I imported a video here, and as you can see I have already written the text, and in the previous video you learned about adding keyframes through the text, and this video is about adding keyframes to the videos and other features related to that. So here is a video. It's a free stock video. If you don't know how to get the free stock videos, I'll post the link in the description. So here is the video, and I just wanted, maybe this is okay here, and I just give first position. This is my first position here, and I move the cursor here and make it like, maybe I need it bigger, this one, and at this place I just rotate this video a little bit and zoom it a little bit more, and at this place I just move it back and rotate this one and then move it like this. Once again I just wanna rotate like this one, bring it here. Alright, so this is just to teach you, maybe it's not what you need, but this is just an example to get the idea about keyframing. So here she is back to the original position, and in this position I just want maybe zoom her laptop like this place, zoom the laptop here. Alright, go back and rescale this one, rescale to the original size here, and here I just give it a slide, you know, this one, it goes this way and this way, this way and this way. It will, you can also place a picture here, and after placing picture, your picture would be here. This is like that, and now you go to video, you play this one. Sorry, I need to picture downside, not upside. Boom, here you go, you did it. And I hope that you like the video. If you like, thumbs up. Subscribe guys, you don't subscribe and that is crazy. Come on, do it. I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.